Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, April the 24th, 2024. Yes, it's war day number 791. 791 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. All right. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start or continue with this second one. The 4-star Sudoku number 8417. 8417, okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. Well, surprising, yeah. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a four stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 4 3s. Alright. 2 4s. 3 5. No, 1 2 3 4 5s. Alright. 4 5s. 1 2 6s. 2 7s. 4 8s. Alright. And 1 9. So the 3s, the 5s, and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 3? Yes, 3 in this column. 3 in the first column, so the column with 3. Second column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 3. Okay. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 3. Then, let me see. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. How about 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, no, only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8. 8 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. How about a 5? 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 5, okay. 5 in this last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, only place left for 5 should be there. 5 5 5 5. Well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this first row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes, so the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this last column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Alright, 5 5. Okay, not continue with 5 now, need to wait. We have an 8 here. 8 also will be difficult. How about the 3? 3, go back to the 3. 3 3 3. Yeah, 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column X, the only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. 5. And I need a 5 here. Okay. What, 8. 8 here. 8 there. Well, cannot continue with the 8 and the 5. How about the number? The number 2, 2. 1, 1. Yeah, 1. Need a 1 there. 1, need a 1 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 6 should be there. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the second column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 6 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. And now, let me see. Need a 9 here. Need a 4. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 1. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 2. We need a 7 in this column, third column. These 2 boxes can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. So the only place level 7 in the third column should be here then. So 1 number left in this big square, number 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Alright, 2 and the 4. Need a 9 here. 6. 7. Well. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Come on. 1, 6, and 2. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. Then need a 4 here, need a 4 here, need a 7 there. Yeah. 9. Need a 1. Need a 2. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 2, 2. And yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We need a 2 in the second column. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, third row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Together with a 9, we have a pair, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the first row, so no row between in the second row. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. How about the 8 then? 8, 8. No, still I cannot continue with 8. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need a 6 here. And I need a 9 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From us, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. Then 6 and the 7. 2 missing numbers now in this third row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in this row, third row. 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 4, 9, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 digit left now in this big square for number 4. Alright. And now 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. 2, 2. 1, 8. And 7. 7. 7. Come on. 2 and the 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. Let me think. How about the 6s? Are they? Yeah. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Okay, you need 8. Need the 8 there. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. What? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 2. We have 4 and a 2 in this row, so no 4 and 2 in these 3 boxes. 4 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 4 in the column next, on that column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. Last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, okay. Then 1 and 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3. No, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then here we have 2 missing numbers. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. No, 2 and a... No, we already have a 2 here. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 1 is missing here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Only place left for the 1, should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 to 9, 4 to 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Now only place level 4, it should be there. 2 to 4, we have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. And let me give this a 2 stars. 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be 1 star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.